How to reset Duolingo courses. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to reset Duolingo course. So without further ado, let's get started. Right now, I am using an Android phone. It is just the same thing on iOS actually. So first thing is, I'm gonna open the Chrome app. And next thing is, I'm gonna search Duolingo.com. Make sure you're already logged in onto your account. As you can see right now, I am here at home. So to reset Duolingo courses is to tap the link on the top. Because we're gonna type here. Let me delete this. As you can see, it said Duolingo.com is lost. And then we're gonna type here settings. Just like that. Another slash courses. And then once you're done typing this, is you just need to click the go button. And it will redirect you right here. So as you can see right now, I have here a Japanese courses and we have the reset button. You can click this if you want to reset this. Then click reset. Of course, I'm not gonna reset mine. But if you want to reset yours, just click the reset button. And that's how to reset Duolingo courses. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.